So, day 2 of wearing the RZE Resolute, and I'm immediately taking it through its paces. This is a bridge that leads into the jungle where I hike quite often, and let's see how it wears. If you've ever wondered where natural rubber comes from, this is a rubber tree. This is the tap marks, as you can see, where people tap to harvest the latex, which is turned into rubber. This is the tree itself. And this is actually a pod of seeds from the rubber tree as well. This whole forest used to be a rubber plantation and it's been abandoned, so now people just use it for hikes and stuff. And you can see the long-tailed macaques, which are the common citizens of the forest here. It's actually raining a little now, but still taking some shots. This large macaranga leaf and the RZE. I guess the rain would help a little bit in testing the watch app. You should be able to hear the rain. Apparently some people are still actually tapping the trees. You can see the collection bucket at the bottom. But honestly, I'm not sure who. And here you can see the giant forest ants. It is about an inch long, this particular specimen. One of the largest ants in the world. And here it is beside the RZE for a size comparison. Note that the RZE is 40mm wide. I'm at a little pond in the middle of the jungle. It does seem like someone has taken care of it. There are some fish in the pond. Okay, this is a massive specimen of the forest ant. I have a feeling at least 3 centimeters. And for scale, this is the watch. It is almost the diameter of the watch itself. That's a huge ant. If you notice, there's a bunch of ants here. Somebody actually trod on their tunnel, which they have built to actually safely cross this open area to be safe from the elements, but somebody accidentally stepped on it. So unless I'm very much mistaken, they are actually trying to repair the tunnel now. And of course, they are swarming my watch, so I need to blow them away. At another pond in the forest, you might be able to see some red-eared sliders over there resting on a piece of log. And this is interesting because the ants are trying to capture the carcass of a bee, I think a carpenter bee, bringing back home to the nest, I'm sure. Again, you can see the massive size of the ant compared to the watch. I'm actually on the way out now, so that's it. My first foray into the forest with the RZE Resolute. I think it performed well. I think the most important, of course, it's a very short trip. I couldn't tell much about it at this point. But what I think is most important is that it feels very light on wrist, very comfortable. I guess that's the benefit of having a titanium watch. Yep, see you guys in the next video. Peace.